All right, warm greetings. I go by the name Kansura, and today I'm going to go through some basic Qigong stretching exercises for you. So let's begin with the first. Just open up and inhale. Just follow along as best as you can. Okay. Second exercise. Turn from the initiate the movement from the hips. Turn, turn, turn. One more round. And recycle your breath. Now from this position, we're going to do what's called the leopard stretch. From the deep horse stance, make leopard claws, pull the elbows back. Now rotate the shoulders and the arms down and back, and then come back. Full stretch, full extension. Two more times. And recycle. Third stretch. Bring the feet in, go to a crane stance, step back down, and stretch all the way to the back. And come back. Come back again. Almost like you're tossing a frisbee behind you. 2 more rounds. Last one. All right. I'll shift to the side. Step out, float the hand down, shift across, and stretch all the way up. Come back down. Snake creeps through the grass. Full extension. Two more rounds. Really stretch and reach. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just follow along as best as you can. One more round. And come back to center. Now, exercise number 4. This time what you're going to do is you're going to turn from the hip. Take this palm and place it right under the armpit and turn, turn, turn. Bring the arms back and around. And then stretch. Come back. And then turn again. Stretch up. And come back. And then come back again. Remember, it's like tossing the frisbee. Focus. Okay, let's do 2 more rounds. Last one. All right. Next one's going to be a bit of a challenge, but you're going to shift your weight to one leg. You're going to come up, spread your wings, kick out, rotate the leg all the way around, around, around. Now take your wings and fold them back with your fingers pointing up towards the sky and hold it there. And then come back around, back to your crane stance, and back down. Other side, kick out. And come back. You fall out, just get right back in. We're looking more for progress, more than perfection. This is a really good stretch and balance exercise. You do this first thing in the morning to get the blood flowing. Get you sweating a little bit too. It's a great way to heat up the body, get that chi flowing. You want to try to coordinate the motions with your breath. Don't hold your breath, just breathe through each motion. So you can take an inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Gives you something to focus on, keeps you present. And we're going to do 2 more sets after this to close out. Okay. Each time you just try to go a little bit further. Last set. Make it good. It's a challenge, I know. That's why I left it for the last part. Last one. All right. Now, as an extra bonus, I'm going to show you another one. It's called Tiger Climbs the Mountain. So you're going to start with your feet together. You're going to squat down. You're going to slide one foot forward, the opposite hand forward, the other hand back, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to turn like you're turning a doorknob with both hands, right? And then come back. Then you're going to shift the weight forward, slide the foot forward, turn, and back. Same thing. Keep walking forward. It's really good. It's like imagine yourself as a tiger clawing your way up the mountain. And then you can go back if you want. And one more time. Shift your weight back, turn, and back, and come back. That one's even more of a challenge, but it's very good. Thank you for your time. If you're interested, check out some other videos. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.